Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the swing trade signals indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the swing trade signals indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 41 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 481 indicators, with 197 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the swing trade signals indicator. And you can see it here on screen. Basically what we have is a oscillating line here, but what we're really looking for are these tags right here. And so you can see that there is an S tag here and a B tag here. And so when we get a B tag, we are going to buy, and when we get an S tag, we are going to sell or go short. So pretty simple, not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so you can see here our first signal right there. We pick up a buy signal. Price kind of treads sideways there, then takes this little drop right here. And as it does, it stops us out on this long tail right there on that candle. And would have probably gotten us on this one as well. But interesting enough, you can see that price does eventually push to the upside right there, without much resistance or much of a push to the downside. So that's just kind of inconvenient there that we happened to pick up a buy, get a small push, and then got that move to the upside we were actually looking for there. And then we pick up another buy signal right here. And so that one, you can see, takes off to the upside pretty nicely there, definitely getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so here we pick up a buy signal right here. We get almost the same thing that we had happen on the first one there. We pick up this buy signal. We get a small push to the downside there, which comes down, hits our stop, stops us out there before it then pushes back up, rides sideways, and then makes the move to the upside, which definitely would have hit our take profit. Just like this first one actually would have hit our take profit if we would have dodged that small push to the downside there. Then we see that we pick up a sell signal right here, and price action pretty much immediately starts to push its way to the downside and comes down, getting us to the take profit on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that'll actually put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts, where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. So you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, which shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators using a lot of the indicators that we have tested here on the channel, and they are giving those indicators away to all of the patrons for free. And they're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. And once they have that done, they will be offering those to all the patrons also. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's get back to our indicator here. There, kind of focus everything in. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of this. So we have 1. Let's try that again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we have 11 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winners. And so that is not going to make the 60% criteria that we are looking for. It's unfortunate. It was doing really well back here as price was really making some decent moves, even with these few that did get us stopped out. As I mentioned in the testing, had we adjusted some stops a little bit, something along those lines, then we very likely would have gotten to take profit on these here, which means that we would have had winners all the way up until we hit this area right here. And then it did something that we see quite often when it comes to single line kind of oscillating indicators that interact with price action, and that's when we get a specific area like this with heavy consolidation right as the oscillating line is interacting with price action. We tend to get this whipsaw bouncing in and out effect like we get right here, and that really eats up a lot of our trades, eats up a lot of our winning trades when it comes to seeing exactly what an indicator can do. We've seen this happen many times before with moving averages and such. This indicator was doing a really good job of avoiding that until it hit this little area right here, and then it took a cluster of losing trades and was only able to squeeze out just a couple winning trades in the midst of this. And so it is unfortunate that that did occur. I definitely had pretty decent hopes for this as it was going along, that this would meet the 60% criteria, but it is what it is. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.